AdamCFest.
Bruce's first car show. Who the hell is this guy?
Biggie, weirdly modified. Florida, baby! Car YouTubers, VIP access.
One very social.
It's not that, that.
Exactly. 400,000 views.
We know it's amazing. God. I feel too relaxed, I think.
Yeah, it's nice and chill, isn't it?
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to Table Talk.
Yeah, now I know the table's not in the picture, but it is over there.
It is over there, you'll have to take our word on that one.
We just decided to come out here because it's such a lovely evening.
We're on the patio for a change.
Yeah.
Which is always a nice thing. We've had a long day, so it's chill time for us, so we thought we'd bring you guys along. We've had so much going on and we've had a lot of people, basically a lot of people always asking us for updates, which is amazing.
Yes.
So what we're going to try and do is get Table Talk more active and just to keep you guys updated, basically.
Yeah, this is it. It's basically just to run through what we've been through, what's coming up, what we got planned.
Yes.
And what you guys want to see.
Yeah. So obviously, more than ever, we want you guys to get involved because we're doing this for you at the end of the day.
That's it.
Right, where do we start? I think, well, the main thing, where we just come from, we went to AdamCFest.
Yes, we did.
Now, for those, if you've been sleeping under a rock, Adam C is one of the biggest UK car YouTubers on the scene at the moment.
Yeah.
He's doing really well. I've followed him for years.
I didn't know who he was until about a year ago.
Yeah, we went, Supercar Fest, I think, was the first time we actually met him. And I was just like, bit of a starstruck. I was like, oh, let's go and see him. I want to get a photo with him.
I was like, who the hell is this guy? I genuinely didn't know who he was because he started talking to him and he was like, did you film any of that? And I was like, no.
Yeah. I was talking to Adam C. Adam C was in a Ferrari Enzo. I was kneeling down next to him. How cool of a shot is that? But no, this was back when Kenny didn't have a clue, so he didn't record it.
To be honest, I don't really know who he is. But I was like, "Is that him?" And yeah, okay.
But back to today, his first ever event that he's hosted. People have been asking for it for ages. So his first event, how did it go?
To be honest, it was his first event, so I think it's going to be tricky on the first one, and a lot of people are going to judge him for it. Yeah. Now, I think the array of cars was fantastic.
Well, I want to start with that.
Yes.
There was the thing I love about Adam C, and what was clear as soon as you walk in is you get all different types of cars, all different types of audience. I mean, there was literally supercars, modified cars, like weirdly modified cars, classic muscle cars, everything. Yes. So walking around, it was good fun in that way, and I've got to say a hats off to him because organising your first event must be absolutely terrifying.
Oh, definitely.
People keep saying it to us to organise our own events. Now, I don't know. People mean different things when they say that. The event today was a full-on show. I think people want us to do a meet, which we'll probably start with. But
yeah, and obviously, we're not going to do an event like that. We're just not big enough.
Not yet,
at the moment, anyway. But I like I said, hats off. You know, it was. But I don't know why. I just felt like people walking around whispering to each other. It wasn't very social.
We both come to the agreement that it was a different atmosphere. I don't know if it's because we're used to going to things like Castle Coombe and I don't know, like going to Japan, and it's all chaotic. So we were there with a camera talking to people. But like it seemed very hush hush.
It was people whispering.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
we found it ourselves whispering to each other.
Which is really, really strange. But there was a lot of music going on, so we couldn't really do what we do.
Yeah, unfortunately, we have got a video there, but I think it's going to be different to what we normally do because rather than us talking to a camera like the weirdos that we are, like Kenny said, because of the copyrighted music, it was a bit of an issue. I will put something together for you guys because I want to show off some of the cars there because they were phenomenal.
Yeah, and also it was Bruce's first car show.
Yeah, to be honest, I think it's going to be more marketed to Bruce.
The amount of people stopping just to stroke him and see him, and it was great.
Yeah, I mean, again, people of all male, female, old and young, they were literally stopping him.
They just wanted to see him all the time, which is great.
But I'm glad we did it because we wasn't sure whether we were going to go because we've obviously very busy schedule. I'm glad we went.
Yeah, I'm glad we went.
Good day out. We took the camper van as well.
So it was nice to chill out in the back of it.
I was well impressed with. But no, so AdamCFest, I mean, he's bound to be doing it again. And I'd say for the first show, good. Like, can't fault him. There's obviously a lot that goes into it.
I don't think I'm going to rush back next year.
No.
I'm not going to lie. But then, like I said, I don't really know who he is because I'm not into this, like,
the car spotting cars leaving show. Like, I like that stuff, and that's how he grew his channel. So that's probably why I enjoyed it more than you. So it's not that you just completely different
I just don't understand. As I said, I'm into different
He's getting old now.
I am, No, I just prefer, like, looking at cars and not just see him drive off. Do you know what I mean? I prefer to be up close and personal. He just films them driving away.
Exactly.
I don't want to see that. I want to be up and stuff. They go to a car cruise for that.
Let's not start on that.
Exactly. All right. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. That's not for me. Like.
Yeah, so Adam C. I mean, I would recommend, if you're a fan of Adam C,
go check it out. Yeah, he was there, in person.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So another thing, we say it a lot, like we always want to thank you guys. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. But there's something that's been happening a lot lately that just blows my mind. We had someone comment the other day from Russia.
Yeah.
I mean, we've had people comment from Germany. There's a chap who comments on every single video, and he's from France.
Yeah.
Always comment. We just, we love all you guys, but the people that comment consistently.
Yeah, it's good to see that they're watching every single video.
Yeah.
It's good to see that.
And what you guys don't understand is when we say like, comment, subscribe, it's not just a line.
No.
You liking and you commenting, that's the main thing. It helps us, it pushes over, it shows YouTube that you're enjoying our videos. So when we say it, people are, I don't know what to comment. Just put a thumbs up, put a thumbs down. Just comment whatever you like about the video, whatever you don't like.
Yeah.
Just hit us with it.
Well, you're saying about that, across the world. I said to you this morning, we had someone comment from Australia on the Evo video, which is,
it's literally the other side of the world.
Yeah, it's great. It's reaching that far. So.
Yeah, which is mad that we are going global.
Well, and a massive day again for us. 400,000 views.
Oh, yeah.
So, yes.
I mean, in the small time we've got, what was it, 18 months roughly?
18 months, yeah. Just under 18 months we started.
Like, we started this as a bit of a hobby, just like, we'll see what happens. It's something we've always wanted to do.
Yeah.
But 400,000 views, I mean, that's incredible. That's 400,000 times someone's clicked on our video.
It's class.
Hello,
it's amazing,
world.
So, exactly, yeah. It's, we didn't think we'd be here already.
No.
So
as you said, keeping you guys updated. Want to run through the events that we're going to be attending. Well, the ones coming up soon, I suppose.
Yeah.
Please excuse my phone. I just want to make sure I don't forget any of them. I suppose a biggie, very big one for us is one that's coming up, Speedfest, which is this Saturday, I've just looked at it, 11th of June, I think?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday.
Yes,
We're going down on the Sunday.
We're going down on the Sunday. It's Brands Hatch. It's Jay's first time with his new livery, doing, a competitive atmosphere, throwing his beamer around.
Yeah, but he's also got banners by Design Studio John.
Yeah,
John.
What a legend.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to be working a lot with him.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
But he's got banners around the track with Accelerate on there, so that's going to look insane,
I cannot wait for that. So if you can't make that, don't worry, because that is a bit of a drive. And next biggie for us is Landau. 9th of July, I'm sure you guys know by now. I love the fact that a few of you guys are actually coming as well.
Yeah, there's a few other boys that we know come in.
Even if they're just coming down to just to see us and stuff.
If you can come down first thing in the morning, please do, because we're doing the livery reveal on the Civic.
Yeah, so if you want VIP access before anyone else, get down there early and you'll see the reveal before any of the subscribers.
Yes.
Before it goes live on YouTube. That's a really good shout.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, Jono's having it the week before it, so I'm literally having it back the day before. So no one will see it.
Yeah, but he's leaving last minute as well. So if anything, nothing's going to go wrong. I'm not even going to say it. Not even going to say it.
Do not jinx
that
me.
car's
I'll be taking the van around.
I know.
Either way, we're going on track. I'll ride the dog.
Landau, 9th of July. Me and Kenny, full track day. Civic and MX-5 on the track at the same time. That is going to be hilarious, and I really think it's going to be good fun.
It'll be class.
Castle Combe. Obviously, we tried to go as much. We love Castle Combe, the action days. JDM Combe we are going to miss, unfortunately, because it clashes with Landau.
Yes, it does.
But Forge Action Day is always a good one. So
September the 3rd?
Yeah, I should have looked at that. I'm pretty sure it is. Kenny's got a good memory and stuff like that.
So we will be there, more than likely, with Team PH. I think I've already booked the tickets.
Yes, I think we have. So. And we will be on track. I don't know what time yet, but we are going to be going on track as well.
Hopefully in the morning. So.
Yeah, so I think that covers the events for now.
For at the moment, yeah, because the next big one for us is Florida.
Yes, again, we have mentioned it once or twice. We are heading to Florida, baby.
Yeah, we're going for 3 weeks.
So, because we're going for 3 weeks, now we're going to do car content out there anyway, because I know a lot of you guys want to see the car content. Your main question?
Yeah, a lot of people that I know have asked if we're actually going to vlog what we do out there, because a lot of people, obviously, we are very fortunate to be able to given the opportunity to go to Florida for 3 weeks.
It's a dream holiday.
It is, yeah. We're going to be doing a lot of traveling, a lot of sightseeing, theme parks. Let's say we're heading to Miami, we're going on the Keys.
Yes.
And we've had people ask us, can we vlog that style of video?
Just to see what life is like out there.
Yeah, just to see what we're experiencing. Obviously, we can bring you guys along with us.
And I just want to say, for those that know or even don't know Kenny, when you go on holiday, like you said, we're not just going to theme parks. We are going to do that, but I mean, you explore.
Yes.
We've got holidays within the holiday. We got road trip, like literally 4 or 5 hour road trips planned.
Yeah,
So
this
it is
yeah.
going to be amazing. We do want to vlog it. We are going to vlog it. I think we just want to know if you guys want to see it on the channel.
Yeah, let us know. Just comment or drop us a message. Anything.
Yeah,
just let us know because it'd be good to hear your feedback.
Genuinely, we do want to know because it's gonna be amazing. Like we're again very lucky. We've been to Florida before. Yeah. We know it's amazing. We want to show you guys how amazing it is.
Yes.
Not just the car side of it, but I will say the car culture over there is phenomenal.
It's insane, isn't it?
So things like Titan.
Titan Motorsport,
they
Performance.
Were good as gold. Went down there, they gave me the full tour there.
So fingers crossed they're going to let us do it again.
Yeah.
So, and also, anybody in Florida who's watching this,
that's a biggie.
Drop us a message, especially if you've got a car. We'd love to feature something out there. That would be insane. Right?
Mainly to see the car culture over there. Sorry about that. The car culture over there, obviously, is completely different. So if someone could show us the ropes over there, even if they've got a half-cool car they want us to feature, imagine us doing a feature in Florida.
If you know Adam LZ, drop him a message.
We'll be knocking on his compound,
Yeah, you'd be like, who the hell are these guys? But yes.
So, I mean,
we are so looking forward.
We can't stress enough, we are so excited. And for those that haven't been, it's phenomenal. It really is. And for those that have been, you already know. So
yeah, exactly.
I'm sure
so
you guys
just let us know if
it.
you want us to vlog everything that we do. Well, pretty much everything, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I could talk for hours, but I think that should have cut it for this one.
I think so, yeah. I don't think there's much more we got to cover.
No, but we've had...
Next week or two, we can do this again. And
yeah, like we are trying to get the more regular uploads, but with... The bigger our following is getting, which we're so grateful for, the busier we are.
Yeah.
So it's just trying to get everything in, but...
Well, it's, also with our projects, they're both close to being near completion.
Mine's not.
Ish. Yeah, but yours is track ready in it. So
it's track,
visuals now. So, obviously the feature stuff, we keep saying it is coming.
Yes.
We have got things booked in for June, July.
And as you can see, the weather is coming back now.
Exactly, so...
But with the projects, we are trying, but again, it's having the time.
Yeah, we only got weekends to shoot.
And like you made a good point earlier, it's not a case of, doing a mod on the car. Do you know, filming it literally takes like 2-3 times longer. So
well, I've got some interior things to do on the Civic, which I could do tomorrow, but obviously I can't.
But we're not. We're going to keep it
because
you guys love watching us just do basic stuff. Because I love that a couple of you have said it's not necessarily the content, it's us you follow just messing around with cars.
It's just us being
amazing.
Us. It is.
But even the MX-5, I've got a roll cage. We've got to cut it up. We've literally got to cut up the bumpers and stuff again.
I can't wait for that.
It is. It is coming.
Yeah.
But it's just finding the time and colour changes, livery, everything. See, I could talk for hours. Right, we'll leave it there. So we are going to keep you guys updated, as we keep saying. So, as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Seriously. I've messed myself up now. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one.
Peace. He's very tired today.
He's pooped.